As soon as Taehyung arrived at the tender venue, all eyes naturally turned toward him, captivated by his luxurious car. He stepped out in style, ran his fingers through his hair, and casually grabbed a burger from his car before heading inside. People staring at him was nothing new, he was used to it. Ignoring the murmurs around him, he entered the hall, only to be greeted by a sea of applicants for the tender. Taking a bite of his burger, he smirked and remarked, "So many people applied for such an ordinary project, perhaps because both the King Group and Sky Group were interested in it." With an air of confidence, he continued, "No matter how many people applied, this tender will belong to me." As Taehyung moved further inside, his eyes landed on YN, who looked extremely nervous. She had her fingers crossed, anxiously awaiting the results. Sitting beside her, he casually offered her a bite of his burger, but she ignored him. Seeing her distress, Taehyung reassured her, "Relax, Miss YN. Maybe you are forgetting that you entrusted this project to Korea's most reliable online insider influencer company. We have never lost anything before." YN, still worried, sighed and said, "You don't understand, Mr. Taehyung. This project is not just a business deal for me. If I lose it, you have no idea what I stand to lose." Just then, two figures entered the hall, Mr. Park and Jun. They walked up to YN and took their seats beside her. Jun smirked at her and said, "You remember your promise, don't you, YN?" Hearing those words, YN glared at him with pure hatred. Jun, unfazed by her reaction, continued, "Go ahead, glare at me all you want, YN. Because the moment you lose this tender, I will completely crush your pride." Before Taehyung could intervene, the officials entered the hall, ready to announce the results. He smirked to himself and thought, "I won't have to say anything, the results will speak for themselves." A hush fell over the room as the result announcement began. The official's voice rang out. "The company that submitted the most impressive tender is the King Kingdom." A stunned silence followed. Both Taehyung and YN froze, their confidence shaken. Who was this new company? How had it managed to defeat both King Group and Sky Group? For a moment, Taehyung, who had been so sure of his victory, stood still in shock before running a frustrated hand through his hair. He couldn't understand how he had lost such a crucial tender. Meanwhile, Mr. Park and Jun smirked in satisfaction. Getting up from their seats, they prepared to leave. Mr. Park turned to YN and said, "Be ready by 7 p.m. tonight. I've arranged a small family function for you and Jun." Saying this, he walked out, leaving YN sitting there, seething in silent rage. As Taehyung struggled to process the loss, his phone rang. Without checking the caller ID, he answered. The voice on the other end said, "I assume you remember our bet, Tae. Taehyung's eyes widened in surprise. "Grandfather, is that you? You picked up without even checking who it was. Anyway, that's not important. I called to inform you that I have won our bet." "Bet, Grandpa? I don't have time for this right now. Some mysterious company called King Kingdom snatched the tender from me. I still can't figure out how they won. Winning with a lower bid means taking a financial loss. And no one is foolish enough to do that." His grandfather chuckled, "Or maybe, that person is gaining something even bigger from that loss." Hearing those words, Taehyung frowned suspiciously. "Wait, how do you know that? Don't tell me, you were behind this." A small smirk could be heard in Mr. Kim's voice. "You are absolutely right. It was me. You see, the King Group has several smaller companies under its name. I simply used one of them to secure the tender without anyone noticing. But a loss is a loss, son. You have lost our bet, and now, you must marry as per my decision, immediately." While this conversation was taking place, YN was boiling with anger. She turned to Taehyung, storming toward him. "You promised me, you said this tender would be ours no matter what. Then what happened? How did we lose?" Hearing YN's furious voice over the phone, Mr. Kim curiously asked, "Who is that girl yelling at you, Tae? Is she your girlfriend?" Panicking, Taehyung immediately ended the call, looking at YN in confusion. How was he supposed to explain that his grandfather had deliberately taken the project, just to win a bet? Miss YN, listen to me. But YN wasn't interested in listening. She grabbed his wrist and dragged him toward her car. You caused this mess, Now you are going to fix it. Confused, Taehyung asked, What mess, Miss YN? I don't understand. How is this my fault? But YN remained silent, focusing on driving straight to V's office. Upon arrival, she grabbed some documents, stormed inside, and slammed them in front of him. You made me lose the tender, she said, so now, you have no choice but to sign this deal with me. Taehyung picked up the papers and began reading. His eyes widened in absolute shock. Wait, what is this? A contract? To be continued. If you liked the story, comment below. If you didn't, still comment. The next part will come only when there are enough comments. Until then, bye.